Flamingos are one of the most social birds on the planet. They literally cannot live alone. In the wild, their colonies can reach hundreds of thousands of individuals. In East Africa, flocks of flamingos can number over 1 million birds. Why do they like to huddle so much? It's easier to protect themselves from predators together. It's easier to find food together, and flamingos love to make noise. Their cries can be heard for kilometers. And why are they pink? They get their pink color from their food. Small crustaceans and blue-green algae. Their favorite food contains special pigments called carotenoids. These pigments accumulate in the flamingo's body, coloring their feathers, beaks, and even legs all shades of pink.